Alright guys, today I want to come on and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Lorca Thor JP400 portable jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, so you got the user manual right here. And then the actual jump starter right here. Check that out, that is cool. It's got a flashlight right there, which we'll try out. So what's cool about this one, I'll just read, it's like the most compact jump starter with an air inflator as well. So this will do both inflate your tires and jump start your car as well. So let's go ahead and actually turn it on. So we'll just go ahead and hit that power button. As you can see, it's got some information right here. All right, now let's see what else we get in there. So you also get a carrying case for it. Very convenient to have. Actual hose for the air, which we'll install. The actual cables for them, very nice quality. All right, and then different tips for the air inflator. So now let's go ahead and actually set it up. So if you wanted to set up the jump starter part, we'll go ahead and grab this piece and then install it on here, just like that. We'll hit that power button. We'll hook it up to the battery and then it'll jump right up. My battery isn't dead at the moment, so there's no reason to use it. But as you can see, it's a very simple process to just go ahead and jumpstart your vehicle. So now let's go ahead and actually use the air inflator. I will go ahead and hook up this piece right in here. Should just be able to turn it in there. All right, good to go. And then I do want to show there is different modes on there. So you can see there's like a car, bicycle, a scooter, a basketball. So just different ways and how much PSI you actually need. All right, I'm going to leave it on car. And if you do want to use the pump, we'll go ahead and hold that pump button. And it's really ready to go. And then just hit pump again, and it'll go ahead and turn right off. So you can see all the features, very, very simple to use. And it also does have that flashlight right there, so we'll go ahead and turn this on. So even if it's dark outside and you need to be able to see in here, you'll be able to do so with that flashlight. So again, nice to have different settings on here. Very, very cool. I've done a couple reviews on these, and this has to be one of the more compact ones that does the air inflator as well. I also do want to mention it does have a couple of safety features built in, like overheating protection, low temperature protection, abnormal status, reverse connection protection. If it's starting to get like a low battery, it's going to go ahead and let you know, which the way you would charge it is right here. And this is also a power bank, so that way if any of your devices are, running low on battery, you can go ahead and use this to charge them up as well. If you do want to use it as a portable power bank, I'll go ahead and try out that Type-C port. So you have a USB and a Type-C. I'll go ahead and use that Type-C. Go ahead and get my iPad. Plug it in. And there it is. So if you guys are looking for a new portable jump starter with air inflator, flashlight, power bank, definitely look into some by Lorca Thor. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.